Hi guys, video update. I wanted to stop in and say hi and check it out. I'm in part of my Newt cosplay from Pacific Rim. Yes, I'm that much of a dork. I took some pictures. I will share them later. Um, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about Levitate tonight, though. Levitate is a novella that I'm writing as a gift for my fans. I posted the first part on Friday. I will be posting a new chapter every week. It'll probably be between 12 and 14 chapters, I'm guessing. I can't say exactly, though, because once I get into the middle of something, I usually, if I really enjoy it, I expand on it. So I don't know exactly how long it will be, but the first chapter is up. You can find it on my website. I'll put a link below. You should definitely check it out. Read it. Leave a comment. I would love by the time I'm 4 or 5 chapters in to have tons and tons of people reading this and following along. I think it would be fun. It's like, the serialized stories from the past. So I think this could be a lot of fun. Please read it, check it out, tell me what you think. Let your friends know it's something that you can read for free, and you can read it sort of as it's being written. So that's cool. I already finished the second chapter, and I will be posting that on this coming Friday. I'm working on the third chapter now. So as I said, it's called Levitate. Levitate is a dystopian novella by me. Elise Wilde journeys into the dangerous reality of futuristic city New Canterbury's upper echelon, pretending to be somebody she's not in an attempt to steal a much-needed medicine for her best friend. She is aided in her deceit by Anders St. Rhys, a mysterious man who drifts in and out of the city's most secret places. When Elise encounters Jameson York, though, her plan is thrown into chaos. Jameson offers Elise access to everything she's ever wanted, including the antidote her best friend needs, but Jameson is a member of the royal family, and the royal family is famously terrifyingly cruel. So that's the synopsis for the book. It is a lot of fun. I really wanted to have a story with a strong female friendship. So, excuse me, Elise and her best friend, it's their friendship that drives everything that happens in the story. And I wanted to have, a character who is very traditionally female, well, traditionally female by, girly standards, I guess you could say, um, who's getting to, be the hero. So, and she's going to use um, her own strengths, you know, to get through in the story instead of turning into, a warrior or something. So I thought I would finally write something that was all the things I want to read in a book. Thought I would write it for you guys. You can read it for free. Yay. So, but anyway, yeah, so there's that. And I think you guys are all going to love Anders. I absolutely love Anders. I'm so excited to share him with you. And I think you're going to love Jameson too. And maybe you're going to love Percival. I know G will, at least. If G's watching this, hi G. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know about that though. And I don't know exactly when I'm going to be doing the next video update. I know they're not every day. I'm sorry. I've been dealing with some issues, which I'm hoping will be straightened out soon, that might be stress related. I don't know. But because of that, I'm just trying to kind of one thing at a time. Um, so anyway, I hope all of you have a wonderful evening, and make sure to subscribe or comment below and let me know what you'd like to hear about next. I would love to hear your thoughts. And remember, if you read the book, if you read Levitate, leave me a comment. I might put your comment on the front page, actually, and everybody else will get to see your name. Cool. So, all right, well, have a good evening.